I believe the IT department has done a successful job implementing a project when we can improve the efficiencies for our end users. And any time that we can save them clicks, save them time, give them more time with their patients at the bedside, I think is a big win for us.
Our patients expect technology. It's not considered kind of a wow anymore. We expect certain things like virtual visits. I expect to be able to message my providers. I expect to be able to schedule an appointment online and not have to call a provider to make that appointment.
IT's kind of moved from being something that helped the back office employees to now it's involved in everyone's job all the time. In healthcare, they need quick, fast access, like they're running a kiosk or at a checkout line. But the amount of data that they need, the sophistication of the data that they need is the equivalent of someone sitting down to do a research paper. They're asking to see a patient's chart and an x-ray and all of this information, and they want to be able to get to that workstation, see it like that.
I have my own CIO dashboard, and in one look, I can see any negative survey that's come in the last 24 hours. Then pivot over and look at any project that has a status of red that needs my attention. Then pivot over and look, and this is me glancing, what's going live in the next 30 days. Then pivot over and see what critical tickets have come in from the help desk that may be affecting our entire organization. That's the wow. I think it's the pieces coming together in a single pane for me as a leader to be able to manage and support our organization. Every Monday we have a daily huddle. We get our entire department, 100+ employees on the phone through Skype. I pull up our TeamDynamix dashboard, go through an announcement section, what's going on in the organization, and then quickly pivot to here are our key strategic projects, which project requests are coming in. Be able to report status on those very cleanly and clearly through dashboards. Be able to communicate to the organization the value that all these IT dollars are delivering. Some of their products required you had a dedicated FTE to manage and maintain the product. And what we found is TeamDynamix, we felt, had all of the advanced functionality the other products had, but didn't require the need for a full FTE to manage and support the product.
Once we started putting up daily scorecards of statistics that we were pulling out of TeamDynamix, the team kind of responded. They drove the number of open tickets down. They're paying attention to how many tickets they're closing a day. They're utilizing tasks and tickets to help determine their workload and to help determine what they're going to do. So you're doing something for the community, and it's a great job, and it's a great place to work. You know, it's interesting work, it's exciting work, and you get a real opportunity to have a positive impact on the community.